Okay guys, so today what I'm going to be doing is making a wood shelf for my wall. It's a floating shelf and I want to try out and make the first one, and if that's successful I will go ahead and make the second. So what I have here is I've got my miter saw, a couple pieces of wood, some plywood, and I will go ahead and mark those up and get ready to make the cuts, and then I plan to sand them, stain them, let them dry for a day, and see how far we can get. Okay, so I cut the wood to make the inner part of the floating shelf, which is called a cleat. I cut a 2x4, 33 inches long, and then I cut, where are my small pieces? Sorry. I cut 3 of these smaller, so I will show you how it's going to be set up before I drill the screws in to make the cleat. Now what I also did is I drew marks on here. This is the part I'll be attaching it to the wall like this. But what I did was I drew the marks where the studs are in the wall. Now while that's drying, I'm going to test out the plywood that I had cut, which will be for the top and the bottom section. Looks good. No. Sorry guys, I'm yelling at my dog. Alright, second cut, ready, set. Now I'm going to go ahead and sand those down a bit so the edges aren't sharp from the cuts that we just made. Okay guys, I finished staining, so I will show you what the boards look like at this time before I put together the final shelf. Now if you remember, they were this color, so we're definitely getting there, and hopefully we'll be done soon. Okay guys, here goes nothing. I have the wall cleat up, I have the shelf I built right there, and I'm going to show you my attempt and hope and pray that that wall cleat is sturdy enough to hold this shelf. There it is. Okay guys, I built that, and I am so proud. Hello, shelf.